Today we talk about a bird with a wider distribution than its Sri Lankan counterpart. The Indian white-eye. The Indian white-eye, formerly the Oriental white-eye, is a small passerine bird. Hyperactive little yellow bird with an off-white belly and a white spectacles. It is a resident breeder in open woodland on the Indian subcontinent. They are easily identified by the distinctive white eye ring and overall yellowish upper parts. Found in a wide range of habitats from mangroves to gardens to forest edge. Generally favors more open forested areas, not dense tangles. Travels in flocks, sometimes mixed in with other species. Their calls are like locally named Peradigu Sithasiya. I have not seen the Indian white-eye. One such place you can see them is Sembuatta Lake in Matale district. As introduced before, Sembuatta Lake is a man-made lake surrounded by tea plantations which has magically transformed into an incredible landscape.